grab your
cuss
phone.
out your mama or something.
Kristen, don't bring my clothes.
Oh, I thought you said your phone.
This sounds like more like a bitch fight than what the fuck you should actually be doing. You should be going up to her and say, I'm not gonna wear that shit. Go get me something better. Instead of being a little crying bitch and acting like you're the fucking queen of the goddamn world.
Bear, do you love Dylan?
No, I don't love
Do
them.
you love me? You love Chris? Oh, it took her long.
I was topping.
Do you love me as a friend?
No.
Man, I hate you, Belle.
Alright, you can.
Do I look beautiful?
Yes.
Thank you.
This dude has 22 kills.
Do I really look beautiful, Belle?
No,
What?
this dude has 22 kills. No,
Hope you know I'm recording.
Yeah, Dylan does.
You really are recording, you motherfucker.
I started recording 5 seconds ago.
I really is
I
recording.
started recording 1 minute ago. So, uploading this
Damn.
video.
I seen you looking up.
Yeah, I can't fucking upload this video.